Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. My name is Mohammad Nadeem Aftab, and today we will be covering the basics of Python syntax, and we also will cover the Python keywords. Yes, Python is a high level programming language that is easy to learn and use. It is used for a wide variety of applications from web development to data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. One of the first thing you will need to understand when learning Python is its syntax, or the set of rules that govern how you write Python code. Now let's go to our computer screen to know more about Python syntax. I will be using Jupyter Notebook. You can use any IDE, whichever is easy for you. For installation and to use Python with different IDEs or without installing through browser, even on your tablet or mobile, please watch my video how to install Python and IDEs. Click on a Jupyter Notebook and open a new file. Let's take a look at some examples of Python syntax. The first thing you will notice about Python is that it uses indentation to denote blocks of code. This means that you don't need to use curly braces or other symbols to indicate where a block of code begins and ends. For example, here is some code that prints out the numbers from 1 to 9. If we will not give the indentation in the beginning of print, it will give the syntax error. The for loop is indented, which tells Python that the print statement is part of the loop. Another important aspect of Python syntax is its use of variables. In Python, you don't need to declare variables before using them. You can simply assign a value to a variable and Python will figure out the type. For example, here is some code that assigns a string to a variable and then prints it out. You can also use mathematical operators in Python like sign of plus, sign of minus, steric for multiplication, and oblique for division. Here is an example. This code assigns the value 5 to x, the value 7 to y, and then adds them together to get 12, which is assigned to z. Then it printed out. Kindly note and remember that one single equal sign is to assign the value. It does not mean equal as in mathematics. For equal in Python, we use double equal sign. Here is the simple code to explain the difference. We assign the value 10 to x and then we are asking if x is equal to 10, then print true, otherwise print false. When x is equal to 10, it's printing true, and if we copy paste the same code to another cells and we change the value of the x to 9, and we can see then it is printing false. Now let's see what are Python keywords. Python keywords are special reserved words that have specific purpose and cannot be used for anything but for those specific purpose. These keywords are always available in Python. Remember one thing, Python keywords are different than the built-in functions and types. The built-in function and types are also available, but they are not restrictive as the keywords in their use. Now let's see how we can get the list of the Python words from the Python. Let's see how many keywords Python have. We can import keywords module and print the list of keywords with the following codes. It prints out the list of Python keywords. Let's see how many words are these. These are 36 keywords in Python. In coming tutorials, we will use them and you will learn their use for their specific purpose. You can also get more details with the help function of these keywords. It gives you further details and you can read it. And that is quick overview of Python syntax and keywords. Of course, there is a lot more to learn, but understanding the basics of syntax and Python keywords is a great first step. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.